Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you how you can fix the clipboard error in Microsoft Excel. So if you encounter this kind of error, this will state there was a problem with the clipboard, and this will occur when you are trying to copy content from the spreadsheet. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First is we can close any Excel instances on our Windows. So before you are going to close any Excel instances or processes on your Windows, make sure to save all day documents or your work in the Microsoft Excel, and then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type task mgr. Now you have to click on that under the best match, maximize this. Then here in the search bar, simply type Excel. You will find Microsoft Excel. Simply make a right click and then select End Task. After you have clicked on the End Task button, that will completely close any Excel instances or processes on your Windows. And after that, you just have to launch your spreadsheet again and see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is we can also restart Microsoft Excel. So while you are on your Microsoft Excel, simply click on this close icon and then bring up Excel again. In this way, we just have restarted the Microsoft Excel, because in some cases, restarting it can also fix the issue. So you should try on that, restarting the Microsoft Excel. And for the next method is we can also use the Open and Repair tool, which is a built-in tool here in the Microsoft Excel. Click on the File tab at the top left corner. Then you have to click on Open. Then you have to click on Browse. Then you have to click on your spreadsheet or your work. Click on this drop-down arrow next to Open. And you'll find this option Open and Repair. Click on that. Then you just have to simply click on the Repair button and wait for the process to be done. For the next method is we can also disable the add-ins on the Microsoft Excel, because in some cases it can also cause the issue. So click on the File tab again at the top left corner. Click on More, click on Options. Click on Add-ins in the list of options on the left pane. Click on drop-down arrow next to Manage. Click on Excel Add-ins. Click on Go. Then this window will appear. So simply uncheck or do not check any of these boxes and click on OK. And for the next method is we can also clear the clipboard history of our Windows. So for that, we are just going to use the shortcut keys on our keyboard. Press the Windows key and letter V key together and simply click this button right here, Clear All. And after that, just simply launch your Microsoft Excel and then try to see if the problem has been fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.